Hi, so I will be doing my practice exam on the 3D printed toenail. First, I would be disinfecting the toenail. I would use this disinfectant here. I will be cleaning the toenail all around. And next, I would be opening my sterile instruments. I would first be using the Black's file, and I would be cleaning all around, starting around the cuticle area, making sure that I'm not pushing any cuticle, and I'd be going through the side of the nail and do the same on the other side, the sulcus of the nail, and I'm gonna go underneath. After of which, I am going to be cutting the nail. So I would be cutting it really little by little, slowly. Cutting it across, straight. Okay, there we go. And then with the use of my emery board, I would be filing the nail and removing any jagged areas, making sure that I have a smooth finish. Okay. After that, I'd be using the Black's file again. And then I would be removing any excess, anything that's the emery board had taken care of and had removed. So after of which, I am going to disinfect again around the toenail, and that's it. Thank you.